Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for sticking with me. If you're new, welcome, and I hope you subscribe and stick with us. Thank you. So in this recipe, I will be making a very easy pasta sauce. So we'll be needing an onion, parsley, we have green onion there, a spring onion, a little bit of lemon juice, bell pepper, pasta sauce, pink salt, red wine, which is the star of this dish, our zucchini, sausages, and of course our chicken. Okay, I will also be using a little bit of black pepper. So I will start by frying my chicken. I put in a little bit of onion there to flavor our oil and also stop the oil from, getting everywhere. So we'll be seasoning our chicken with black pepper and salt. That's all. You want to fry this chicken until it's golden brown. After some time, after about 10 minutes, 15 minutes there, about when your chicken is completely cooked, you take off the burnt onion and pour in a little bit of red wine. Allow that to infuse and reduce. You want to allow the red wine, get into your chicken. So after that, you get it off. It's completely cooked. So in a pan, you saute your onion in your oil. Put in your sausages, fry that for about 1 minute, and then you pour in a little bit of red wine. Okay, so you want to allow that to also infuse and evaporate. So once you can see, like you can see here, everything is gone. We just left with the flavors. So now you go in with your pasta sauce. And this sauce I'm using has cheese and bacon in it. So you go in with that, with your bell peppers. At this point, the fry pan was too small, so I had to, use a bigger pot to cook this. So after that, you go in with your seasoning. A little bit of pepper, bring back the chicken into the sauce. Add in your zucchini, a little bit of lemon juice, your parsley and spring onion, and there you have it, guys. That's your pasta sauce. Very creamy, very tasty, very delicious. So here I'm about to make the pasta. I went ahead to fry the pasta a little bit. As you can see, it's almost dark brown. Yeah, that's how to give your pasta very nice flavor and also make it come out, one, like it doesn't have to stick together. Okay, so this is a good way for making your pasta. So after that, I just went ahead with boiling water. I flavor it with a little bit of salt and allow that to cook. Okay.
Oh,
pasta is cooked, guys, I'm just putting in the sauce, mixing these two together. I will allow that cook for just simmer for about a minute, and guys, that's it. Easy, delicious pasta for you, for your family. Anybody can eat this. It's so delicious, packed with vegetables and flavors. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I post any video. Bye.
I'm here.